Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll do the unboxing setup and demo of Aqara Smart Wireless Switch. This one is available almost everywhere, notably AliExpress for around $11 US. Note that there are two versions, the classic one and the one with built-in gyro, which we'll review later. It connects via Zigbee protocol, so you'll need a Media or Aqara gateway in order to use it. It is powered by CR2032 battery, as do most of the wireless Zigbee devices. It supports single, double, and long click, so you can assign up to 3 actions to it. One advantage of this switch is that it looks and is designed in a way to be more of a standalone device instead of stick-it-onto-the-wall device. This device has been around for a while, and I never got my hands on one before. When small switches are concerned, I always preferred Media round switch, but in the end I decided to give this one a go. So let's see how it compares. Now we can add it to Mihome app. First let's run the Mihome app, and then we need to find the gateway. In the Devices tab, we'll find a button that says Add Child Device. Now we need to find the Aqara button. Press and hold the reset button for more than 5 seconds until the blue light on the button starts to blink. Select the room the device is located in and give it a unique name. And now we are ready to create the automation rule. We'll use the single click to turn on the air humidifier. And here's how it works. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.